Good morning, year one. I'm on the kitchen floor again doing some maths, and I have a different method for splitting a number to show you. We've learnt about it in class before, but remember to watch the video on White Rose Maths to recap and remember how we do this. It doesn't always have to be this number. What number is this? Tell somebody at home or think about it yourself. Doesn't always have to be, it could be any number, but I have chosen to use 10 again. Let's just check that I have 10 of Eddie's treats at the top of my part whole model. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, I do. And I can split them in any way I want to across these two plates, which are part of my part whole model. And I've used Eddie's toys to split them because I thought that would be fun. If he comes in here again, he is going to be so excited. So maybe I'll put one this side. And then I'm going to put all the others, too many to get in one handful, on the other side. And I'm going to write down my number sentence on my bit of paper. Have a think, what would my number sentence be? Something plus something equals, and remember, we haven't lost any, we haven't added any in. It's the same as the number we started with at the top. So when you're doing your part whole model, it could be any number you want to. You could use something to help you to split them. Then, when I've had a go at that one, so that one was 1, add 9. I wonder if you got that one, equals 10. You could then try and split them in a different way. Still quite a lot on this side. So this would be a different number sentence. But remember, the answer is always going to make 10 on the one that I'm doing, because we haven't lost any, we haven't added any. We are always going to equal or be the same as this number here. So this one, have a think what this would be. So we would have this here. And the way you can draw that out, so we know how to write it in a number sentence, but the way we could draw it out in a part whole model would look like this, because it's just a different way. So we know we had 10 in my top plate, and we started with 1, this was the one before, and then here we had 9. And then another part whole model for 10 would be, it's tricky because I'm holding the phone. 10. The circle wasn't very joined. 2. And let's count. We know we had 2 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we don't need any pluses or equals in this one. This is the way we do a part whole model. So you could keep going and see how many part whole models you could do for 10, or you could change the number and do it for a different number. If I wanted to do a part whole model, say for just 4, maybe after I've done all the ways I could do it for 10, I could try it I'd have to get rid of all my other ones, just for 4. And try and split them in different ways, or maybe for an even bigger number. Have a go at home and see how you do and let me know. Bye, year one.